Hi, I'm Lou, another episode of My Car Story. We're out here in Geneva, Illinois. It's a little overcast today. It looks a little like England. And did the car kind of originate in England? Was that where...
The movie was mostly filmed in England, yes.
Movie was mostly filmed in England. I'm here with Matt. Matt, what's your last name?
Mat Klemp.
Klemp. And Matt's a little creative, so I'm going to grab the camera as I usually do. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And let's take a look. Matt, come back with me. You've recreated Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
Yes, this is my version of Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, the car from the movie. It's something that I've always wanted to do since I saw the movie. I saw Dick Van Dyke build the car in the movie and thought it would be really cool to build a car like that, obviously.
While you're talking, I'm just gonna feature this so that people can take a moment. Go ahead, keep talking about the car. Because here's the story, so if anybody wants to pause on it, you can get some details there, but why pause on it when we got Matt right here? So,
well, the car started out as a dream, obviously. After that, I started with the front axle from a '56 Ford F100.
Right here.
And use that as the basis, and the rest of the chassis and the differential is out of a '96 Ford. The engine is a Chevy 230 straight six. Real simple engine, fits under the long hood.
Can we open that up, or is that difficult to do?
We can. It's a two-step process.
Okay.
Unstrap it here, then we got to go to the other side.
Okay. Oh yeah, sure. This almost looks like an old Corvette engine.
Oh, yeah, fits in there very nicely.
Yeah, it really does. And I mean, the level of detail, I see you've got the Chitty Chitty Bang Bang horn there too, on the inside.
Yeah, in Illinois, you need an electric horn. It's a requirement for the registration, right? So that's what that is.
So this obviously is all show.
This is all show.
Okay.
Obviously, the car has to look like the car that was in the movie.
Oh, yeah, no doubt about that.
That's all...
So you started it in 2009. We'll go back across the other way. And finished in 2002. Let's buckle it up there.
Yep. Finished it in 2013.
Oh, 2013.
Got it registered then.
I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm so excited looking at your car. I'm saying 2000. I'm going backwards in years.
Yeah, there you go.
How do you come up with this? I mean, where do you find that?
The horn is it's a reproduction.
Does
it's made
it
in England.
Blow?
It does.
All right.
Here.
Nice. All right. So they reproduce that in England.
That was a lucky circumstance there. I found that company in England that reproduces that.
Do you go to eBay or something and say Chitty Chitty Bang Bang horn?
eBay's wonderful. I searched on snake horn and all sorts of horns, and I found one for sale.
All right.
And the guy had a picture of the nameplate. I Googled that name and found the company that reproduced it.
And there's the nameplate. Okay, let's. So the braking, is this actual braking out here, or is this all just rigging?
This is parking brake.
So it actually
This
runs
is the
off
shifter.
Okay.
That's all. Those are all handmade.
But are they operational, or is there a park neutral? That's it right there, just like back in the day.
Reverse, neutral. Not in the day. It's an automatic transmission.
Okay. All right.
The automatic transmission is.
But I mean to recreate the movie, so it's all off the side.
It's all off. It's all, like I said, just like they had in the. As far as I could see from the car in the movie.
How did you come up with the gauges?
The gauges are, again, it's made to look like the car in the movie.
Absolutely.
So we have that's an oil tank in the center. That would be the drip oiler for the old aircraft engine that was in the actual Chitty Chitty Bang Bang race car from the 20s.
So does it? It obviously doesn't. It's not functional. We're not dripping oil through that because we've got the 6. But
right. Yes, but that's again a feature the car in the movie had.
No. I mean, it's tremendous. Does this door open, or is this all?
This is for show. There's not quite enough room, and I couldn't get it to.
Let's of course show the boat tail. Let's step back and take a look at that, and all of the. Where did these kerosene lamps are just
eBay again. Yep. eBay is a wonderful thing.
Now, of course, people are going to ask the obvious question: does it fly? Do the wings come out? So let's turn it on and let's. I want to just show some of the other features here real quick. the brass exhaust that comes down the side. And we've got an opportunity to open a wing here. So
Let's go to this side.
can we open one wing versus two?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So here's does it fly question. That's pretty cool right there. And it comes back and it flaps down just like the original. That's great. I love the honeycomb grill as well. Matt, jump out.
The honeycomb grill, the radiator surround, I had to make all of that.
That's
Most of the parts are handmade.
Fourth-
Most of the brass work.
you said 4,000 hours.
4,000 hours.
Matt, stand right next to your car. Thanks for your level of dedication. An amazing build, and people who are Chitty Chitty Bang Bang and movie fans, and what a great movie it was. Thanks for being on My Car Story.
Thank you.